Welcome back to TechBytes. In our last episode, we explored variables, how to declare them, assign values, and check their types. Today, we are diving deeper into Python data types to understand how Python categorizes different kinds of information. Let's get started. Now, let's see what are data types. In Python, everything is an object and every object has a type. Data types tell Python how to store and handle values in memory. This helps in efficient coding and prevents unexpected errors.
Imagine you have a kitchen where you store different types of food. Each type of food needs a specific container to keep it fresh and usable. Integers, like rice in a jar. Whole numbers, like 1, 2, 3, are like grains of rice. You store them in a solid jar because they don't need special handling. Floating point numbers, milk, in a bottle. Decimal numbers like 3.14, 2.5, 2.0 are like milk. You need a bottle to hold them, as they are liquid and different from rice. Strings are like labels on jars. Text data like Apple, Python is like labels on food containers. Labels help identify what's inside but don't store the food itself. A list is like an egg carton. It holds multiple eggs items, and you can replace or add more eggs if needed. A tuple is like a sealed fruit basket. You can see the items inside, but you can't change or rearrange them. Dictionaries, a spice rack with labels. A dictionary is like a spice rack where each spice has a labeled compartment key, value, example, salt, white, pepper, black. Booleans, light switch on, off. A boolean is like a light switch. It only has two states, white heavy check mark true, on, the light is on, cross mark false, off, the light is off.
Just like you need different containers for different kitchen items, Python needs different data types to store and manage values efficiently. Choosing the right data type ensures the data is stored correctly and used efficiently, preventing unnecessary errors. And that brings us to the end of this part. But wait, we are not done yet. So stay tuned for more Python magic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you all in the next episode of Tech Bytes.